So good morning everyone. Recently I work in sales performance dashboard, and in this project I make a lots of graph and lots of KPIs you can easily see here. So in this data we see lots of things, and there is total sales 247.98 million, and there is a top product sold. This is a combo product, and yeah, it's sells by category. So there is a combo one is a best performance category you can easily say. And in this data quantity sold per city, Bangalore is the highest s- sold product, like you can easily see. And combo 138.14 million. And we have two campaign, Diwali and Sanskranti. Diwali generate 38.57 million sales, and Sanskranti generate 21.11 million. Now we can see easily here. There is a top 5 product by sale. This one is highest. Second one is rice 10 kg and chakki atta 1 kg. And top 10 store by total sales. It's generate highest sale